dear citizens which is why I wish that we all join hands in welcoming the new year with great pomp and gaiety and celebrate it together. Therefore, I've organized a New Year party tonight. All of you will have to attend this party, but in various disguises, like a fancy dress.
But Your Majesty, I am just a bit curious.
No one would be able to recognize the other due to their unusual disguises, and that would help us forget all our differences and celebrate unitedly.
May His Majesty Indravarma
Live long!
May His Majesty Indravarma
Live long!
You look as if you all are going to some comedy show. Y'all are looking so funny.
Hey Raju, if you're not going to change your mannerisms to go with your appearance, anyone would be able to identify you.
Wow, you're looking good. You're looking different. How am I looking? Wow, you're looking good too.
Oh my goodness! I can't even locate my friends within so many disguises.
Hey Kichak, you must try some of these jalebis. They are absolutely yummy.
Is this fellow addressing me as Keith?
Can you see that bear standing with a plate full of laddus over there? That's Bheem, guys.
I see. So Raju wants to pull a fast one on me. Hey, look! What a nice looking fountain!
This is not the time for all this, Kichak. Didn't you hear me? That bear is Bheem. Let's bash him up. Boss, would you mind coming along with us for a few minutes?
Of course not. Let's go. Someone help me! Oh, my goodness! I'm gone.
What nonsense! This is Kalia, guys!
You guys bashed me up so badly. I have managed to locate Bheem. His mask had fallen off by mistake. That clown out there, that is Bheem. You guys go and wait at that very spot where you had thrashed me. I'll bring Bheem over there. Kichak, come fast, will you? We have managed to find Bheem.
Something fishy is going on here. Why is he thinking every time that I'm Kichak? And why are they looking out for me? I must go with him and find out. Hey, stop! I see. That's what it's all about. So you came here to beat me up, but you ended up getting beaten yourself.
3, 2, 1.
Please wait.
Always sleep in the jungle.
Who is this singing in the jungle? Who could it be?
Did you like it? It was me singing.
What?
Yeah, I am new in this jungle. I'm Gabby Goat is who I am. Always singing, dancing I am. Joy and frolic my friends give. In the jungle they all live.
Oh, you're so cute. If Jaggu gets to meet you, he'll be very happy. Will you come with me?
Raju, if you didn't go to Jaggu's house, then where did you go?
I was on my way to Jaggu's house when... She's my friend, okay?
So what, Raju? Even I will make friends with her. But where has that goat disappeared?
Come on, let's find her.
Everyone, old and young, one and all. Any one of you ever imagined in your life that you would see a talking goat one day? Yes, you can. Today at the theater. Come to watch Gabby Goat for sure. Come for sure. Come for sure.
Gabby Goat on show at the Dholakpur Theatre? This man was going on as if the goat belonged to him. Something isn't right about this.
Only that goat can tell us what's right or wrong. Come on.
Now come on, eat this quickly. We have to go soon for the show. Hurry up.
I want to go back to the jungle.
You will never go back to the jungle, okay? Never. Make me rich, rich.
Don't be scared, Gabby Goat.
I've already thought of a solution.
Come, villagers of Dholakpur, a very warm welcome. I present to you something unique from the jungle, a miracle. Gabby Goat. Come here. Now tell me, who is more intelligent, you or me? Tell me.
Me?
I know, I just said it's me.
Will she go on doing me? You told us that you will show us a miracle. Where is it?
Yes. Oh, yes. Now, friends, this goat will sing for you and dance as well. Hey, what are you doing? Let me go!
Hey, this is just an ordinary goat. It is not a talking or a dancing goat.
This is an ordinary goat. We will not trouble the poor thing anymore.
According to me, the people of Samridh city love watching good plays. I think you should do a nice play for them.
It's a brilliant suggestion. Kids, you should trust me. You are going to enjoy this play very much.
Actually feeling very nervous.
No need to worry, my dear. This will be the best play that Samridh city has ever seen in their life. It will be so emotional that people won't be able to hold their tears. Come on. Welcome to P2's amazing stage. Today the brave army of Dholakpur will enact for you a world war between King Bhimas and King Dholas the Great.
I'm Kalia the Great. I can't be a soldier. I should be the king. Hey!
Kalia, what are you trying to do?
Oh no! Get ready to fight with me, Raja Dholas.